Hi friends, today we are going to be making pasta hot and sour salad. This is one of my specialities. It is, it's been like every party that I host. It's basically all the guests, they want to be, all my relatives, my friends, they all want to eat this. So it's a very nice and a very good recipe, especially for summers. You can chill it in the fridge for a while, at least for half an hour to 1 hour, and it's like awesome for summers. So even in winters it does very well, but then summer specifically because it's full of fruits and veggies, of course. So we'll just go ahead and see the ingredients. So you'll be taking 2 cups of pasta, which is boiled already from before. I have kept it here. This has got, you had to boil 2 cups of pasta in little water with 1 tablespoon of oil, refined oil, and little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And once it's boiled, you'll rinse it in cold water and then add little oil to it so that they don't stick to each other. These are your boiled vegetables. I've taken carrot, I've taken cauliflower, and I've taken beans. You can add or minus vegetables according to your choice. You can do maybe broccoli instead of cauliflower, and if you want to add some other vegetable which you feel can go with the salad very well, you can add that as well. There is no problem. And then here we have taken one lime, like orange. So you can see there's this, you can take quinoa, you can take malta, or you can take orange. So today I have taken actually quinoa, 1 quinoa, then 1 apple, and then you can see here you can take normal apple or a green apple. Here you can see this is mango. We've taken 1 mango, 1 cucumber, few 4 to 5 pieces of dates. Seed निकाल के हमने उसको scrape out कर लिया है from the sides. 1 tomato, long, 5 to 6 pieces of musk melon, kharbuja, 2 garlic cloves have been chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of oil. It could be olive oil or a salad oil. This is 1/4 cup of your Maggi hot and sweet. This is very important ingredient in this salad. Without this it's difficult to make. But yes, of course substitutes can be there, but preferably please go for a Maggi hot and sweet sauce only. This is your 1/4 cup of vinegar, white vinegar, and here your castor sugar. I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of castor sugar from here. Then this is your 1 cup of normal ketchup. Any company, any ketchup you can use, but this is normal ketchup. These are your dried apricots, and here this is your kishmish that I have taken. About 1 tablespoon of kishmish and 3 to 4 pieces of apricot. You can add maybe dried amla if you have in your house. Amla can be also taken and cut into small pieces and added in this. Any fruit or any dry fruit, seasonal fruits you can add. You can add any other dry fruit as well. You can add, for example, you can add grapes as well, kiwi. Since I did not have grapes and kiwi in the house, I am making it without them, but you can add those as well. So here we will start. We will first put the pasta, then the veggies, then you can add even spring onions and onions also to it. If you don't have spring onions, you can even add normal onion to it. Only one. And spring onions, you can add the onion as well as the stick. The mangoes also go inside. All the ingredients we will mix together. इस side से ले. You can see we have mixed all the ingredients in this, all the vegetables, fruits, and pasta. We'll add the oil to it. The Maggi hot and sweet ketchup. This is your vinegar which will go inside. Two tablespoons of castor sugar. Later on you can taste it. If you feel you require more sugar, you can add more sugar to it. It all depends, you can see. And 1 cup of normal ketchup. We will mix all the ingredients together and then we will pour it in the serving, like I've done. Pour it in the serving dish and There's no salt and pepper added in this. In this recipe, you don't need to add salt or you don't need to add pepper in it. And once this is mixed, you can put it in the serving bowl and keep it in the fridge for about half an hour to 1 hour. And it is half an hour to 1 hour, and it is like served very chilled. It tastes very nice in the summers. So we'll just do and show you. Now you can see we've mixed all the ingredients, even the sauce and the dressing is gone inside. So the whole salad is ready, and this is great to be served for the summers. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Please like, subscribe, share, and you can click on the bell icon. Thank you.